amigos, it's Senora Davis, and here are your directions for today, January 7th. So we're going to continue practicing time and numbers. My original plan was to quiz you today, but I feel like we need a little bit more time, just one more day to practice these times and numbers and do maybe a couple fun activities. So first we have Kahoot for you to practice. With Kahoot, please make sure that you complete the entire Kahoot. Otherwise, it will not record that you did it at all. And I have two different Kahoots here for you. The pictures are the links. So you can do one, you can do both. You can, it's really up to you. What do you feel like you need the most practice with? Maybe it's both of them. Play them both. They're not very long, either one of them. Maybe you're doing fine with numbers, but you need help with time, then do time. But please click the links here to start those Kahoots. They'll take you to a different page. Please put your first name and last initial so that I can easily identify who you are and who has completed it. And then click Submit Assignment when you're all done here and come back. And I have a practice quiz for you. So I've set this one up. This is a Go Formative again. I've set it up to be just like what your quiz will look like tomorrow. Obviously, different questions. But your quiz tomorrow is going to have listening, it's going to have speaking, and it's going to have just a little bit of writing. So the first 10 questions, you're going to listen to the number and type it in number form. So for instance, we have this one.
CN.
Said CN. So I would type the word 100 in numbers. That's the first 10. The next 5, you're going to say this number in Spanish. So 16, you would click this button and you would say the number for 16, which is 16. And then down here, we're doing more listening, but this time it's time. And please make sure you put it in the correct format. So the hour, colon, minutes, and then AM or PM. So you'll listen to it and you'll type out the time in number format. And then for the last 5, you're actually going to type out the sentences. And don't forget to put a period at the end. So for 2:05 p.m., remember you do your 3 steps. Step 1, look at the hour. The hour's 2. So anything bigger than 1 o'clock, I'm going to start with son las. Next, I look at the minutes. My minutes are 5. So anytime my minutes are less than 30, then I can just say the hour and minutes. So hour is 2, dos. The minutes are 5, cinco. And then step 3, put the time of day. It's 2:05 p.m., which means it's 2:05 in the afternoon, de la tarde, period at the end. This is what your quiz will look like tomorrow. Maybe not quite as many questions, but the exact same format. So please make sure you use this opportunity to practice for your quiz. For the pronunciation ones, the ones that you say, maybe you need to go back and listen to my video on how to say all the number words again. That might be a great idea for you because part of your grade is identifying the number, but also saying it correctly. And once you're all done with this, you'll click Submit Assignment on Schoology. Tomorrow, your quiz will be on numbers and time, and we are also going to continue on with our next set of vocabulary, which is dealing with talking about what classes you have. Please remember, if you're missing any work, you need to get that done as soon as possible because the 22nd will be the last day I will take any assignments or assessments. Have a great day. Adios.